ship, and I am up a little bit earlier this morning because I wanted to hit the gym. Now the gym has been super crowded on this sailing, so I'm hoping at this time it won't be as packed. So let's see. Hey y'all, so I had an amazing workout. The gym was not packed. I would say there were about excuse me, there were about 3 ellipticals free and about 4 treadmills. Nobody was at the weight station, so honestly that's a good day. This gym has been packed and it's been so annoying, but I was able to get a good workout in on the elliptical, and I did some strength training with the weights, and I went to the buffet to get a hot cup of tea, came back to the room to shower and change into my swimsuit because I am going to get ready to go to the pool deck. Now I'm gonna skip breakfast today. I'm not really feeling it, but I am gonna get a pressed juice at one of the bars where you're able to get any kind of pressed juice that you want, and it's included in the drink package. Now I tried one day before yesterday and it was really good. I think it's called the Green Monster or something like that. It had kale, spinach, ginger, pear, celery, apple, and that might be it, but it was really good. And so I think I'm gonna get another one of those and lounge by the pool today. Now today is Black Friday and the ship is honoring that with some sales that's going on. So Bay and I are going to book an excursion for when we get to St. Martin. All excursions are 15% off today only, and it has to be if you have not booked yet. So that worked out perfect for us. We're looking like we want to do the ATV, where we get to ride an ATV and go to the beach. With the discount, I think it's like 90 something per person, so we're gonna check that out later today. And I'm probably gonna look at some jewelry. I saw a couple of rings that I wanted, and I was waiting to get them just to see if they would be on sale today. So I'll probably do that. But yeah, I'm gonna play it by ear, and I'm about to get away from this hot window. The sun is shining in so beautifully, but I am starting to sweat all over again. So I will probably pick you guys up when I get to the pool. So I am actually going to the shops just to see what kind of sales they have, but I just realized I forgot to tell y'all, last night we cut it a little early because the ship got super rocky and it started to make me feel a little nauseous. So we called it a night a little bit earlier than we normally would have. It wasn't horrible, but I did definitely start to feel a little queasy. So there was that, but luckily I packed my motion sickness oils and patches that I put behind the ears. So, and I had ginger chews, which was able to help. But still, it was, you know, it's no fun when you're not feeling 100%. Today feels like a better day. It's still a little rocky, but not nearly as bad. So I'm walking through the promenade now, and I'm taking a peek at some of the shops, and it looks like a lot of the stuff is marked 20% off. Some of the shops are not open yet, so I'm just kind of walking through and seeing. So it looks like purses are 40% off. I'm gonna turn it around so that you guys can see. And it looks like they have perfume for $19.90, watches 40% off. They have more collection of purses and perfumes at different price points. So you honestly could get away with doing a little bit of Christmas shopping while you're on the ship during Black Friday, because some of this stuff isn't bad. And mind you, this is just one of the stores. So like I said, this would be great for Christmas shopping if you just happen to be on the ship. They have purses, as you guys saw, but they also have stores that are called the boutiques on the ship, where they have like Michael Kors. Sometimes there's Louis Vuitton, Gucci, things like that. So there's a wide selection of accessories, watches, perfume, there's skincare, there's makeup, all kind of good stuff. So these are the smoothies that they offer and the pressed juices here. And so today I'll be trying the green power, and that's basically what's inside of it. Green apples, celery, cucumber, kale leaves, lemon, and ginger. Let's see. So I got my smoothie and let's see how it is. It's like the perfect blend of fruit and vegetable. I love it. Great way to start the day. Now, I am on the main atmosphere pool, and it looks like they're having some sort of soccer game going on out here. I'm gonna flip it around so that you guys can see. He tried to take the screen out with that one. Y'all, this drink is so good. I can really taste the carrot, but this is sweet though, because the vegetables and the fruit blend is like the perfect blend. It's not too tart, and I definitely taste the ginger in it. So, which is great if you have an upset stomach or suffer from motion sickness. It's a really good blend. I'll definitely get it again. Y'all, it is so hot. I don't know how long I'm gonna be in this sun like this. I'm looking over to see, because the other side of the pool where there's shade, there's like no seats available. So I might have to end up in the indoor pool. Let's see. I don't know, because I can only be out here for maybe 10-15 minutes in this direct sunlight like this before I gotta go. So let's see. I'm gonna look around and see if I find another chair soon. All right, y'all, so I stopped at the buffet to get some lunch. They had some rotisserie chicken. I had to get another burger, and they had some pasta, and I got some french fries. Not the healthiest plate, but I'm sure I'll make up for it later. Y'all, this rotisserie chicken is so good. It would definitely give Publix a run for his money. It's so good. The pasta, I had to add a little bit of black pepper. It's okay. The fries are good, and I haven't even touched the burger yet. I honestly might just take a couple of bites because I'm already getting full from the chicken. Y'all, I just finished lunch and I came to the room to get my vitamins because I forgot to bring them with me. I've been trying to be good and take my vitamins on this trip, and the room still isn't cleaned yet. So I guess I'm about to go back out. I mean, I only was gonna make a pit stop just to get my vitamins and go back out anyway, but it's like real inconsistent. The timing of when the room is cleaned has been all over the place. So yeah, it looks like they got started but didn't quite finish, so we'll see. But I think I'm gonna go and see if the shops are open, the main shop that I wanted to go to look at some jewelry, and then I'll go to the indoor pool because it was so hot out there. I could only stay in the direct sunlight for a little while before I start getting irritated. So I am back on the pool deck and I'm having my first drink of the day. I decided to keep it light and just get a rosé wine. It's so cold. It feels so good out here though. It surprisingly feels less hot than it was earlier today. I don't know if it's because I got that pressed juice with the ginger, so it was like boosting my metabolism, making me sweat a little bit more or what, but it feels a little bit better now. Y'all, so I don't know if it's a cultural thing, but I'm noticing like the little girls, the toddlers, they don't have any tops. Like there's this little girl in the pool and all she has on is bottoms with her chest exposed. It might be like a cultural thing, but yeah, that's different. So I just got in the pool and it feels amazing, but it's more of like a wave pool right now because the ship is rocking so hard. But on a positive note, I love that they're playing Bob Marley music right now. I'm gonna flip it around so that you guys can see. Unfortunately, my phone is about to die and I left my chargers in the cabin, so this might be the last clip that I do until I'm able to charge my phone back up. I wanna know when you're gonna go. You wanna do that? I know.
up!